The pandemic is here and we are all living in fear. We are unable to see our families and our friends. We feel as though the world is coming to an end. Hands, faith, space. Hands, faith, space. Hands, faith, space. Hands, faith, space. Don't be a fool and follow the rules. Wash your hands, cover your face and make some space. Hands, faith, space. Hands, faith, space. Hands, faith, space. Hands, faith, space. The rules have been set out. What happens if you flout? You risk facing a fine and put everyone else on the line. Hands, faith, space. Hands, faith, space. Hands, faith, space. Hands, faith, space.
Public Health England suggests you prepare yourself before putting on your mask. Suggestions include blowing your nose, having a drink, and going to the toilet. This is to reduce the chance of touching your mask when wearing it. Public Health England suggests washing your hands before and after mask wearing. Public Health England suggest you make sure the mask covers your nose, mouth and chin. Use 2 hands to put your mask on or off, if you can. Only touch the straps.
Get in my pocket!
Public Health England suggest you change your mask if it's damp or if you have touched it.
Oh, just get in the bag.
Public Health England suggest you clean your mask by either washing at 60 degrees or use hot water to kill germs.
understand and stick to the plan. Don't touch your face, keep yourself and others safe. Hand, face, space. Hand, face, space. Hand, face, space. Hand, face, space. Try and stay strong because it won't be long. We'll all be in the room and not be on Zoom. Eventually this will end and we'll all see our friends. Hand, face, space. Hand, face, space. Hand, face,